Wait a second here. I was under the impression that the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL phone is only going to have 12 gigabytes of RAM. And so I pretty much said I'm not going to upgrade because I got the 9 Pro XL phone. And then I'm on a video tonight and I see somebody commenting, well, you can get in 16 gigabytes of RAM. So I immediately went to the Google store here and I did this comparison, and the 11 Pro XL phone on the left, in the middle is the 9 Pro XL. It only lets you, it has to do 3, so I just left the third one there. But if you come down here to memory and storage, sure enough, 512 gigabytes will also come with 16 gigabytes of RAM. There you go. Now, if you were under the impression as well that you would only get 12 gigabytes of RAM, that's coming in the version of 256, and I think people were really pushing that because they no longer offer the 128 gigabytes of storage as a starting point like in the 9 Pro XL phone. Now currently I have 256 gigabytes, and there are times when it gets close where I'm full of storage, so the 512 is going to work well for me. It's an expensive investment to upgrade this phone, but the battery life's going to be better. It seems like better photos and videos. And so I'm excited, plus I've got to store credit, and then I also use Google Gemini, which I'll be able to take advantage of. So I wanted to make sure you are aware of this. If you are planning to buy it on Amazon, I will share a link to it, but you can see the price point and then you can pick the phone. And then if you scroll down there as well, you'll see for the 11 Pro XL phone, you can see up to 16 gigabytes. So there you go. And that's great to know. Now, a couple other things just to share with you. From the standpoint of screen protector, I used this brand here on my Google 9 Pro XL phone, and I really like this brand, so I would recommend this one. The case that I used for the 11 Pro XL phone is the Taurus, and they're now calling it the Q3 Spin. I love having this on the back, and it works great, and so I would recommend it. Now, what's interesting is they also have this version, which is a lot more expensive, $65.99, but it works with Pixel Snap. So part of me is like, well, maybe I might go with this one, but I think for me, because I don't use the wireless, I just use the wired plug-in and it works fine, I will probably just go with this one here. So I highly recommend this case. I have dropped my phone a ton, and it is held up. So I'll be sure to share my referral links. Appreciate if you use them if you're interested, and hopefully this video will be of help to you. Let me know if you are going to upgrade to the Pixel 11 Pro XL phone now, knowing you can get the phone in 16 gigabytes of RAM. So I can't wait to get it. I will do some testing with it, and I'll share some other videos when I share my Pixel 9 Pro XL, especially photos and videos. I'll do some comparisons there as well. So if you have any questions, you can let me know what you might want to see in a video, and look forward to sharing that experience. So stay tuned for more. So glad that the 11 Pro XL has the RAM I was looking for, plus a whole lot more. All right, everybody, have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.